Easily tell your customization story in case with our new magnetic components display. These magnetic base and hook elements work seamlessly together and are sold individually so you can mix and match the elements based on your needs. Both the magnetic base and hooks are available in our two most popular fabric options, Shimmer Moonglow and Shimmer Black. And the base can easily be merchandised either standing up or lying flat to accommodate the size and depth of your case. And with 3 different size hook elements to choose from, this system offers extreme flexibility for you to create your finished display based on the size and amount of products you showcase. This system is ideal for helping you visually merchandise all the infinite ways your customer can put their unique spin on their jewelry using clasps, dangles, initials, numerals, birthstone components, you name it. The options are truly endless.